Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day in one of my classes, one of my students was complaining quite vehemently about her best friend's partner. And she was telling a group about how much she disliked this guy. She was basically saying, I don't know what she sees in him. He's very manipulative. He's got a very domineering personality. And he's also a bit of a parasite. He's basically living off her. She's the main breadwinner in the relationship. And he basically takes money from her and uses that to live on. When she told us this story, I was quite shocked and responded by saying, it sounds like she needs to get shot of him. In everyday spoken English, I guess particularly British spoken English, we often say get shot of instead of get rid of when we want to talk about no longer having something or someone in our lives. So you might be doing a job that you basically really hate, and your friends might ask you how work's going, and you might tell them that you're ready to get shot of the job and move on to something else. You often hear about football clubs or bands or artists who are keen to get shot of their old manager and get new management that might be able to help them better. Maybe you go on a date, a bit like a friend of mine did the other year, where you meet someone on a dating app like Tinder and you go on this date with them, and it's a bit of a disaster because the person you're on a date with is literally in front of you while you're with them, flipping through the app, flicking left, swiping left, swiping right, and trying to arrange another date after they've actually finished the date with you. It becomes very clear in that kind of situation that the other person can't wait to get shot of you. And maybe you have an old car that keeps breaking down, and in the end you decide to get shot of it because it's costing you more to keep it on the road than it would do if you just bought a new one. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use get shot of.